different quadratic equations, that is quadratic polynomial, when the value is it has a value. Any quadratic polynomial, when it has a value, it is called as quadratic equation. So quadratic polynomial, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. It is equal to some value, that is 0. Then that is called as then this is called as quadratic equation. When the quadratic polynomial, when we equate it to some value, it is 0, 5, 10, anything is possible, then that is called as quadratic equation. In this chapter, you are learning how to solve quadratic equations. So that is an extension of the second chapter itself. Polynomials you have learned, their quadratic polynomials you have learned. Now here it is a quadratic equation. So solving quadratic equation, that means finding the value of x. Solving, that means finding value of x or finding roots of the equation is called as solving quadratic equation. That is, we have to calculate the values of x. There are two values of x. It is a quadratic equation, so therefore there will be two values of x. So we have to calculate two values of x. So that is done by three methods. One is by factorization. Till now you have learned this method, factorization. Second one is quadratic formula, by using quadratic formula. And the third, by completing square method. So the third method is now removed from your syllabus from last year. So, but still 1 or 2 questions I will explain you how it is, because some of the times the school people will ask. I don't know why. They will ask this. So we are learning factorization method and quadratic formula method. Now what is quadratic formula? So quadratic formula. If the equation is written in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Then we use, in terms of a, b, c, the value of x can be calculated. The formula is based on a, b, c values. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula of a quadratic equation. By using this formula, we can calculate the values of x. There are two values of x. With one, this in between minus b and this square root, there is a two signs. One is plus, another one is minus. So when we consider first plus value, we will get one value of x. When we consider the minus value, then the second value of x, you will get it. So this way we have to calculate. But here, when we are substituting, the one value of x is x1 is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x2 is equal to minus b, sorry, it is minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the two values of x1 and x2 of the polynomial equation. We will get it. Now before solving, we have to, instead of substituting the value of b, a and c inside the square root and then solving, which is much more time consuming part, so you are doing one thing. Value of b square minus 4ac we have to solve separately. Instead of, before substituting in this formula, we have to calculate the value of b square minus 4ac, and this value is called d. D is the discriminant. D is called discriminant of the equation. Discriminant, that is which discriminates. It will tell the nature of the root. The value of x. Root means the values of x. So value of x is positive. Oh, sorry. It is a real numbers or non-real numbers. That we will get to know by knowing the value of D discriminant. If this value b square minus 4ac, if it is positive or equal to 0, D is positive or 0, then the x values are, that is roots, are real numbers that you can calculate. But if D is negative, then x values are imaginary. They are not non-real numbers, imaginary roots. So this means when D is negative, that means square root of a negative term. Is it possible to find out square root of negative term? Is it possible to get the square root of negative term?
No, ma'am.
No, so that means that values will be imaginary numbers. So whenever you will get the value of D is positive or 0, then only you are solving this equation. Otherwise, you are not solving. If you get the D value negative, then you are not solving the equation further. So we will get the nature of roots. We can find out the nature of roots by knowing the discriminant. Nature of roots. So while solving any of the equation, we have to first find out the discriminant separately. It makes your work easier. Otherwise, the many steps you keep on writing the full page, the one single equation, solving one single equation will take full page. So that much thing we are not doing. We are calculating the simplification once and then substituting the value of D in this equation. So this way, the equation will become minus B plus or minus square root D by 2A. So this is the only equation will become after finding this value separately. Okay. So I have explained you this part in the beginning because in the first exercise, that is the third exercise we are starting in from Adi Sharma, NCRT, there are very few questions. There are only 3 questions actually you have to solve for quadratic formula method. 3-4 questions on this one. So there are very few questions. So we are starting with RD directly. And what problems we will do from NCRT. NCRT all questions you are solving in RD also. Quadratic equation is very small chapter in NCRT. Which part you didn't hear? I could not get. So we have to solve. I have explained you in the right now beginning only. So that is you can solve if factorization is not easy for you. Sometimes factorization, that is finding middle term, is not easy. If you find that is I cannot do with that method, then you can directly use quadratic formula, because the question is not asked solve by factorization method or solve by using formula method. They won't tell you. You have to do by any method. So there are some questions in the first exercise itself which needs, though it is given factorization method, but it needs the formula. Without that, you cannot solve. So therefore, I have explained you in the beginning itself, the formula of quadratic formula. Okay, so write down this part.
Ma'am, can you scroll down slightly?
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Mom, can you scroll down?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we are solving the questions based on factorization, as well as somewhere we can use quadratic formula also. So we are starting from the addition method exercise. First exercise is you have to check whether the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. That is, I have explained you in the polynomial first part, how to find out whether it is a quadratic equation or not. And the second one is forming the quadratic equation, that we can come under the form, this one also. Word problems, when we will do, at that time you can go through those. That is the simple parts. So exercise starts from the third exercise. 4.3. Solving quadratic equation. You can use method of factorization as well as formula. Second question is 2x minus 3 plus 3 and 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. So solving quadratic formula, if you know the middle term splitting, do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Middle term splitting.
Yeah, so middle term splitting, we
Yes,
already
ma'am.
here, we got in the form of factors, two factors we got it. Now how to find out the value of x?
Multiplication. Oh,
Multiplication, very good.
sorry. I thought the equation.
Finding the value of x.
2x plus 3 is equal to 0.
So both the brackets we have to equate it to 0. Any one of the brackets should be 0. So 1 by 1, two brackets we will equate it to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 7, or 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. So value of 2x, this is minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2, or 3x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 by 3. So these are the two values of x. Next one is 9x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a trinomial. So we have to solve it by middle term splitting. So what is the product needed?
18.
Product needed is
18.
minus 18.
Minus 18.
And the sum or difference is needed minus 3. Is it a sum or difference of two numbers is minus 3?
Difference.
Is difference because product is negative. That means the two terms should have opposite sign. So when opposite sign, that means the two numbers should be subtracted. So difference of two numbers should be minus 3. So what are those numbers?
Minus plus. So,
Minus 3, minus 6.
minus 6
No.
plus 3.
Yeah.
Which one?
Minus 6x plus 3x.
6 and 3, the difference is 3. Now out of these larger numbers should have the sign of middle term. So you got 6 threes are. So difference of these two is 3 and the product of these two is 18. Now one problem is when to use, which one should have positive and which one should have negative sign. So that depends on the middle term. Middle term is minus 3. So larger of these two numbers should have minus sign. So 6 will be minus and this is plus. So it is 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then factorize it. Common is 3x. So it is 3x minus 2 plus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So next factors are 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now equate each bracket separately to 0 and find the value of x. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3.
Minus 1.
3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. So write down these two questions first. Whoever has new book in front of you, new RD.
Ma'am, this chapter I'm using a book, ma'am.
Yeah, right
Ma'am, I
now.
have.
So this one third exercise, how many questions are there?
Ma'am, 1
4.3.
second.
Check and tell me.
Okay.
4.3, how many questions are there?
Ma'am, 61.
60?
1.
Only 61 are there in new book.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, 62, ma'am.
Yeah, 62 are there. Okay, right. So 62nd is 7x plus 3 by x is equal to 35, 3 by 5.
Oh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. There's a 60-second. Yeah. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, that many. So same. So all the questions are same then. They have not changed anything. 62 questions you are solving from this part. And then solved also along with it.
Ma'am, when I did with quadratic formula, I got 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 8.
Which one?
This fourth question.
No, you are done wrong.
Okay,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually here the power went, ma'am, so I got disconnected.
Yeah, ma'am. Here too. Call has been cut some 3-4 times.
Yes, ma'am. So can you just explain this?
Middle term splitting only I have done, nothing else. And that you know.
Okay, only that much only.
Only this much, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
These are two questions I've done. You were there in the first question?
Yeah, ma'am. I was there in the
Ma'am, first
second
question. Yeah.
The second one, written number 2. That's from exercise number 2.
Yes.
Then fourth one is a middle term splitting. Simple.
Okay. Okay, ma'am, just
So fifth one is 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 6 by 7. Now this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So we have to convert it by simplifying. For simplification, we will take the LCM of these two. So LCM will remain the product only because there is nothing common between them. So x minus 1 into x plus 5. Then here you have to multiply with x plus 5. So it is x plus 5 minus x minus 1 is equal to 6 by 7. This is clear? Now x plus 5 open bracket minus x plus 1 and product denominator product. While solving in this chapter denominator product, you are using x plus a into x plus b identity. So what is the product expansion of this? X plus a into x plus b is equal to
X square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
x square in plus a plus b into x plus
Plus
ab.
ab.
Okay, so you have to remember that. So you are not opening binomial to binomial, two steps you are not doing. Directly you are doing this step. So you should have the habit of doing this now. Now directly x minus 1 into x plus 5. Now tell me what is the product? X square a plus b is minus 1 plus 5. Answer is
4.
plus 4x. Then product
5.
minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5 is equal to 6 by x. So this get cancelled, 6 by 7. Then x and x get cancelled. 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 6 by 7. Now this 6 will go here division, or this 6 will come this side as a 1 by 6. So this 6 and this 6 get cancelled. So we will cancel the first step only. So one step we will this less we have to do, and then cross multiply. This is 1, this is 1, so cross multiply. 7 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5. Now bring 7 on RHS. X square plus 4x minus 5 minus 7. So x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we got it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c form. Now factorize it further. So what is needed? Product is minus 12. Different. So therefore difference of two terms should be 4. So what are the terms? Then what should be the middle term?
6 and 2. 6 and 2.
6 and 2. So in sign, the larger number should have the middle terms as sign.
6.
Minus 6 and minus 2.
Plus 6 minus 2. So it is x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. Factorize it. X into bracket x plus 6 minus 2 into bracket x plus 6. Minus 2 we have taken, so sign will change. So it is x plus 6 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 6 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 6, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. And always keep habit of making box to the answer. So this is a proper method of representation. Slowly you have to work on your representation also. At the last moment, if I will keep you telling the trick methods, you will not follow it. So beginning only, whenever it is needed, I am giving you different tricks to represent properly. Follow that.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a little?
1 second, let students complete this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the second step, did we cross multiply?
Which second step? Here, yes, after this we have multiplied.
No,
Ma'am, can we use
ma'am. After the
quadratic formula?
question.
What?
Ma'am,
Here
after the
it is
question.
LCM and subtraction. LCM subtraction.
Okay.
Subtraction is done by using LCM method. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, 11th. Convert into ax square plus bx plus c form. Take LCM. LCM is x. So it is 16x square minus 10 is equal to 27. 16x square minus 10 is equal to 27x. 16x square minus 27x minus 10 is equal to 0. And then factorize, middle term splitting. Try. What's the answer?
Ma'am, one
What
minute.
are the factors?
1 minute, ma'am.
Saptashi, you got the factors?
No, ma'am, still doing.
Ma'am,
This much time needed.
16x plus 5 x minus 2, ma'am.
What?
16x plus 5, one factor.
I'm asking the middle terms.
32 minus 32x plus 5x.
First, do the simplification in 12th one. So it is LCM is x into x minus 2. So x minus 2 minus x is equal to 3. X get cancelled. Minus 2 is equal to 3x into bracket x minus 2. This part has been taken to RHS. So it is 3x square minus 6x is equal to minus 2. So 0 is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2. Now we have to solve it. We need a product as 3 2s are 6. And the difference, we need the sum as 6. Is it possible to find out?
No, ma'am.
No. So instead of factorization, now here we will use quadratic formula. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to -6, and C is equal to 2. First find the value of D, that is B square minus 4AC. B square minus 6 square minus 4 into 3 into 2. This is 36 minus 24. So which is equal to 12. So D we got 12. That means square root of 12 is needed. Square root of D is equal to square root of 12. We can simplify this by 4 into 3. That is 2 root 3. So we can write root D, that is square root of B square minus 4AC is 2 root 3. Now we have the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So substitute the values, minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac already we have calculated, that is 2 root 3 divided by 2 into a value is 3, 2 into 3. So it is minus minus plus 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. So take 2 common, 3 plus or minus root 3 by 6. 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So it is 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3 is the answer, x value. So one value of x is 3 plus root 3 by 3 and the second value is 3 minus root 3 by 3.
Ma'am, we cannot cancel 6 and 6 over there, ma'am.
Ankur, are you in class 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Mom,
Yes?
I tried it by factorization method, mom.
You got the same answer?
No, actually we can do it by factorization method, mom.
I can't do. You can do it factorization method, no problem.
Yes, mom, but I got the different answers, mom. I got 2 by 3 and 1.
No, completely wrong. You have done wrong. You have done taken the middle terms may be different. This one wrong.
Middle terms are minus 3x minus 2x, mom.
So difference is this one. Sum is 6.
Oh,
Is the sum 6?
oh no, mom, no, mom.
Then
Okay, so
Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Can you
Yes,
scroll
ma'am.
down?
Yeah, exactly. Ma'am, done.
The next question, 13th one. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Here also you have to solve by quadratic formula.
Ma'am, we should do it, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to do it. Nishant, are you able to get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Both Nishants. Mary, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I could join like after 10-15 minutes because of the network problem, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I could join like after 10-15 minutes because of the network problem, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, is it equals to 3 plus root 5 by 2 or 3 minus root 5 by 2?
No. No.
Ma'am, I'm getting the first part, ma'am, I'm getting x square minus 1 minus 3x is 0. So value of a is 1.
Hmm.
Is it?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting like 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2 and 3 minus 2 root 3 by 2.
In which one?
Ma'am,
13th
for
one?
the... Yes, ma'am.
No. 2 root 3 from, that means root 12. D value you got root 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
No,
3
it's not
plus?
root 12. 9 plus 4 is not 12. Mary, 9 plus 4 is 13.
Ma'am, is it 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2?
Yes. You got the equation as x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. So b square minus 4ac minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. 9 plus 4, which is 13. So square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to root 13. Then x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is minus of minus 3, that is plus 3 square root of 13 by 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. Solve by yourself. This is an NCERT question and most commonly asked. This year also, 2020, they have asked this question.
Ma'am, same method which we used above.
Yes. No, formula is not needed. By Mills splitting, you will get it.
Okay.
So simplify this. Convert it to ax square plus bx plus c form.
Ma'am, can you just repeat that equation which you told, ma'am? Like for that.
I've written in front of you.
The other equation, that a square, that one.
Which one?
The a square plus b square, you wrote it up, no, ma'am?
Identity you have learned in class 4, class 7, 8.
Okay.
The same identity.
Mom,
Okay, ma'am.
mom,
Yes.
is the 14th one
Hmm?
is x equal to 2 and 1?
Yeah, 1 and 2.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting the equation as minus 90 is equal to 11x square minus 33x minus 308.
So then take 90 on that side, no? And then divide with 11.
Okay.
Mom, we should divide everything by 11, no, mom?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
In the beginning itself, you can cancel on both the sides before cross multiplying.
Mom, what's the answer?
1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this question is somewhat different. Open the brackets first. 4x square minus 4bx minus a square plus bx. So if I will write b square here, 4x square minus 4bx plus b square minus a square is equal to 0. Can you factorize first three terms? Are you able to factorize that?
Maybe yes, ma'am.
I know that is yes. That's the reason I told you. I'm asking the
Um,
answer.
ma'am, it'll be 4x square minus x minus 4x. No, wait, ma'am, I'll think and tell ma'am.
Mom, it'll be 2x minus b whole square.
So this is again in the form of a square minus b square. So that is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So this is in that form. So this full value is x and this is y. So it is x plus y into x minus y. So x is 2x minus b plus a into 2x minus b minus a is equal to 0. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? So this is x, the full term is x and this is full term is y. So this is in the form of x square minus y square. So we can write, excuse me. So we can write is in the form of a plus b, x plus y into x minus y. So what is x? 2x minus b plus y, that is plus a, into x minus y. X, that is 2x minus b minus y, that is minus a. Now equate both the brackets separately to 0. 2x minus b plus a is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to b minus a. X is equal to b minus a by 2. Or 2x minus b minus a is equal to 0. 2x is equal to b plus a. X is equal to b plus a by 2. So these are the two values of x. Anisha, this is the expansion of 2x minus b whole square. 2x square is 4x square. B square is plus b's square is b square and minus 2ab, 2 into 2x into b is minus 4bx. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square form it is. So 4x square is a square of 2x. Yeah, it's plus, fine. You can make it plus. Then also it's okay. I have taken the wrong. Question is in that plus 4bx. So you can solve the next question with plus, or if you want to change it here, it will be like this way. So it will plus b, so it will become minus b minus a by 2. This is plus b, so minus b plus a. So it is a minus b plus a by 2.
Mom, why did we change it?
Question in the this one book, see the question.
Okay.
In the question itself given it is plus 4b. No problem. The answer only will b value with sign of b will change. Now try to solve the same way this question. 17th one. 9x square minus 6 b square x minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 is equal to 0. Exactly same way.
Ma'am, b square plus a square by 3 and b square minus a square by 3.
Yeah,
That's
ma'am,
right.
even I'm also getting that.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, I had a question. We don't have to factorize it even more, right? Because we can take b square minus a square in the.
No, if you factorize, you will not get anything.
Okay.
Not from exercise, some extra questions based on the same method.
Ma'am, b plus a by 3 and b minus a by 3, ma'am.
No, it's b square. Where square? This is to the power 4 is there.
Oh, yeah, ma'am, yeah, square.
Ma'am, it's 3x plus b square plus a square into 3x plus b square minus a square, ma'am.
Which one? 17th
So,
one?
yeah.
No. Yeah, 3x.
Ma'am,
Then
no,
find the value of x.
ma'am, so, okay.
Ma'am, x is equal to b minus a or b plus a?
A minus A.
Ma'am,
No,
a
no, no.
minus b or a plus
A minus B and A plus B.
a minus b and a plus b. Yeah.
Oh,
X
yes.
minus A whole square.
A minus b and a plus b.
A minus B and A plus B, right?
Ma'am, can you repeat the 17th answer?
A square plus B square by 3.
Okay, ma'am. And
B
then
square
the
minus
other
A
one.
square by 3.
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2a minus b and b plus 2a.
2A plus B. 2A
2a
minus B
plus
and
b and
2A plus B.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it A plus B and A minus B, ma'am?
Yes, earlier. First part, no? First value, right?
Yes, ma'am, first
Yeah.
value, first part.
Yes, right. A plus B and A minus B.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, a square plus b square by 2 and a square minus b square by 2.
That's right. Cyclopa, your school is going on?
What, ma'am?
Cyclopa?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it stopped for a while because Zoom is like not working properly, like it's insecure, so like hackers came. So then they're gonna resume it right now in another app and try where they upload all the portions and all.
Zoom is going on everywhere. There's no issue.
Ma'am,
KV
the
is complete. Yeah?
2a plus b and 2a minus b, ma'am.
Yes, right. KV is still taking Zoom only.
There's many rumors Zoom will stop or something.
That's, yeah, it was not nothing,
Ma'am,
stop nothing. So you're working no every day?
Yeah, ma'am, no, eventually, like someone will shut down Zoom. 'cause
No,
it's
it will not happen anything.
Ma'am, I just wanted to tell you that our maths teacher today only she started AP.
And completed also.
No, she did not complete. She just started today.
Okay, good.
She finished probability, real numbers, triangles, and quadratic equations.
In how many days?
I think so within 2 weeks. No, real numbers and triangles we finished first only. Only probability and quadratic equations. Yeah, these 2 chapters we finished.
So yeah, I think so. Your school started within 1 week only. This one was there, no? Lockdown
What?
started.
Yeah.
School was only opened for 1 week.
No.
Ma'am, in my school, only 1 week before lockdown.
Oh, ma'am.
Ma'am, when my
Completed
school
first
started,
complete.
that
First
is the
complete
first
these
time.
all. Yeah,
Okay,
first day.
ma'am.